In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up an RDS relational database service instance on AWS step by step. Start by searching for RDS in the top navigation bar and selecting RDS from the search results. In the left navigation pane, click Databases, then Create Database. Fine-tune your configuration by choosing Standard Create as the database creation method and selecting MariaDB as the engine type. Keep the default MariaDB version and choose Dev Test for templates. For the DB instance identifier, enter my database, set the master username to admin and create a password. Configure the instance with burstable classes, db.t3.micro, general purpose SSD GP2 storage type, and allocate 20 GB of storage. For multi-as deployment, choose Do Not Create a Standby Instance. For production purpose, choose Create a Standby Instance. In the Virtual Private Cloud VPC section, keep the default VPC settings, but it's safer not to use a public subnet, so select No for public access. Create a VPC for this database. Expand the additional configuration section, set the initial database name to MariaDB, and review default options for DB parameter groups, option groups, and backups. Enable encryption under encryption. For maintenance settings, clear the checkbox for Enable Auto Minor Version Upgrade and leave the maintenance window with no preference. Click Create Database. Finally, be patient as it may take about 15 to 20 minutes to create your RDS DB instance. During this time, you can enjoy a cup of coffee or grab a snack. Congratulations! Now you can also create Read Replica, can be used to manage your existing DB instance.